Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss conversion factors. Conversion factors are also called mole ratio. Conversion factor can be defined a ratio of coefficient found in a balanced chemical equation which can be used to interconvert the amount of any two reactants or product. There are various conversion factors used to make a relationship between reactants and products. During stoichiometric calculation, these are mole-mass conversion, mole-mole conversion, mass conversion, mass volume conversion. But today we will only discuss mole mass conversion in this part. If the moles of one substance are given, we can easily calculate the mass of other substances from balanced chemical equation using conversion factors. Similarly, from the mass of one substance, the moles of other substances can also be calculated using the same conversion factors. For example, how many grams of carbon dioxide can be produced by thermally decomposing 8.8 moles of zinc chloride? For this purpose, we will have to write the balanced chemical equation of zinc chloride that is thermally decomposing into zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. First we do a mole-mole relation calculation and then convert the calculated moles into gram at the end. Thus, from the balance equation, we can write 1 mole of zinc chloride approximately gives 1 mole of carbon dioxide, that is here. So 8.8 moles of zinc chloride will approximately give 1 over 1 into 8.8 mole of carbon dioxide. So the total value will be 1.8 mole of carbon dioxide gas. Now convert the number of carbon dioxide gas into grams using the formula. The formula is number of mole is equal to mass in gram, molar mass in grams per mole, molar mass in grams per mole. But this should be clear to you that here we will have the molar mass of carbon dioxide, not the molar mass of zinc chloride, because we have been asked the grams of carbon dioxide, not the grams of zinc chloride. For this purpose, we will have to find out the molar mass of carbon dioxide. So the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16, that is equal to 44 grams per mole. Mathematically, we can write this formula as mass of carbon dioxide in grams is equal to number of moles of zinc chloride multiply by molar mass of carbon dioxide. Now put the values 8.8 mole into 44 grams per mole. Now cross this one with this. Now multiply 8.8 by 44. We get the value of 3872 grams. So the mass of carbon dioxide is 387.2 grams. Now take another example. Example number 2. How many moles of sodium chloride are produced from 15.5 grams of HCl, hydrochloric acid, according to neutralization reaction with sodium hydroxide? Here we will find the moles. For this purpose, first we will take a balance equation. So the balance equation of hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium chloride and H2O is a solution. Now we will have to find out the molar mass of hydrochloric acid. So the molar mass of hydrochloric acid is 1 plus 35.5 is equal to 36.5 grams per mole. Number of moles of hydrochloric acid is mass in gram divided by molar mass in grams per mole, 36.5 grams per mole. We have the value. Now cross gram with gram, we have the value of 0.425 mole. By using the equivalency conversion factor from the balance equation, we see that 1 mole of hydrochloric acid approximately gives 1 mole of sodium chloride. So 1 mole of hydrochloric acid approximately gives 1 mole of sodium chloride. Now 0.425 now 0.425 moles of hydrochloric acid will give 0.425 moles of sodium chloride. Thus 55 grams of HCl will produce 0.425 mole of sodium chloride. Thank you very much, dear students. Allah Hafiz.